All right, so in this training video, we're going to go over the competitor analysis worksheet and how you're going to do it. This is usually done with the onboarding call, or really after. You can do it after the onboarding call. Um, but this is really how you do it. So inside the onboarding call, you're going to get a list of competitors from your client that you're onboarding. And then you can do this after, or if you get the list of competitors ahead of time, you can do this during. But the whole purpose of the sheet is to, one, see what the competition is doing, and two, understand how you're going to differentiate your client from the competitors so they are standing out in their market when they're online social media. Here we go. So first thing is obviously put their competitor company name in here, put all their social channels in here, and then you want to put notes in there like, are they actually active on there? So like, do they have a YouTube channel? Do they have a Facebook page? Do they have an Instagram page? Do they have a LinkedIn page? If they're B2B, do they have, what do they have on social channels? And do they have a website? Put all that stuff in there. So you can start looking at their content, decide like, what do they do, and are they professional? What are, all those types of things. And then are they active? Right, social media. A lot of times, I know people that done business with somebody just because they're active on social media. They're like, hey, I feel like you're in business because you actually post content. Crazy how that works, right? Um, Types of content. So what are they posting if they are active? What are they posting on social media? Are they doing videos, pictures, blogs? Are they on YouTube? What are they posting? What are they talking about? Okay. Or what are the types of things they're saying? Are they just showing testimonials? Are they just showing job sites? Are they just showing pictures? What is it they're doing? Put that down because we want to make sure that you're doing it better or doing something different. Um, Engagement levels, check to see if people are actually engaging with their content. That's just checking things like comments, likes, shares, video views, things like that, as you can normally see. You can't get behind the scenes, but this lets you know that, hey, people are really engaging with their brand or people are not. And that just lets you know that if they're not, then hey, just you got more room to, easier room to grow. If they are, then you know, hey, what do I need to do to be better than them? Tone of voice, is it professional, personable? Is it helpful? Look at the tone of voice of the competitor. I talked about website already. Look at their Google Business profile. Okay, is it filled out correctly? Now, Google Business profile is not necessarily um, social media, but it does make an impact on your online presence, and there is content that can be put out there. So I always say, look what they're doing in Google Business profile. What's the majority of them? Probably aren't doing anything because I just don't understand it. Are they posting on there? Is their whole profile filled out correctly? Okay. Um, Reviews. What do the reviews look like? What are people saying on Google? What are they saying on Facebook social media reviews? Social media reviews are as big of an impact, or starting to become impactful like Google reviews are, and it's harder to fake. So make sure that, if you're getting social media reviews, that you're looking at all those and what are the customers saying about them, good and bad. You want to know both. If they're bad at communicating, you want to make sure you have content talking about how good you are at communicating, right? Think about that. And then comparison. So figure out, once again, that's where you're going to identify where you can grow or be better than those competitors so you can outshine them in your market. Okay. And then you just duplicate that same process for all your competitors. So super simple process. It's not that difficult. Don't overthink this here and think you got to have this little minute details. Just put in plain and simple. If you're a consumer looking for whatever product or service that competitor may offer, would this be somebody you do business with? Okay. Just keep that in mind. That's how you do this competitor analysis worksheet.